Have you ever tried making a chicken crust pizza? Last time I did it with a can of chicken, and a lot of people don't like canned chicken, so I'm going to show you how to do it with ground chicken. Start by mixing a pound of ground chicken with half a cup of Parmesan, 2 eggs, a little bit of basil, garlic, salt, and pepper. Spread it on a lined baking sheet with parchment paper and bake it for about 30 minutes at 400 degrees. I also broiled mine at the end. I topped mine with buffalo sauce, mozzarella cheese, red onions, dried chives, and blue cheese, and dipped it in ranch. It was so good. If you try it, let me know what you think.